We are an NGO that works with. We are working with on girls' education, and for a project we need 3 lakh rupees to sponsor 30 girls, and they are an individual, मतलब दो है but individual, who has only 2 lakhs fund for education of children with disabilities, and are ready to donate up to 2 lakhs. That is the fund.
Cool.
Okay.
So, shall we say 2 minutes would be enough for you to present it? Or you need more?
मान गए तो 2 मिनट
Fair enough. Fair point. Yeah. Go on. I am timing you in a
Very good afternoon. Nice to meet you. You give us time. It's very important. We are very thankful to you that in your busy schedule you manage some time for us.
A very quick introduction. We have already corresponded, so you know about our organization. But I am Akanksha,
Kashkar and I am Shoumo.
and we work together in this organization where we work to fund the education of girls.
आकांक्षा, आपने हमारी कंपनी को ही क्यों चुना इस काम के लिए?
तो हमने आपकी कंपनी को इसीलिए चुना क्योंकि हम लड़कियों के साथ काम करते हैं और आपका इंटरेस्ट काफ़ी हद तक ऐसे बच्चों के साथ है जिन्हें किसी प्रकार who have some sort of a disability, and the one common thing that we see in your work is that you want to fund education and that you are looking at vulnerability, right? You are looking at children with disabilities who are a very vulnerable group, and we also from our organization strongly believe that girls, by virtue of being girls, are also in some way vulnerable in the community, and just like children with disabilities who don't get access to resources, help, and education, we are also working to help girls to get those kind of education.
मैम, हमने ऑलरेडी पहले ही आपको बता दिया था कि हम सिर्फ डिसेबल बच्चों के लिए काम करते हैं।
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
आपने हमारी इंटरनेट किया, इनके पास फोन आ रहे थे तो उन्होंने कहा एक बार टाइम लेके निकालते हैं, तो मिलते पास हमारे जो पूरा फोकस है वो डिसेबिलिटी है।
बिल्कुल सर, you are absolutely right. We also wanted to understand, since your focus is on disability, one, we wanted to connect with you to explain our ethos of vulnerability with you, and also to see how we can reach some sort of a way in which we can look at girls maybe with disabilities who you may like to fund. Since also the ask from our end is 3 lakhs and you are able to donate 2 lakhs, we wanted to see if we select girls who may have learning disabilities or any other kind of disabilities, would you be interested in donating to us?
I would like to add some points here. Recently we met some Department of Psychology, Kolkata, one of Professor Mulika Banerjee. She told me that many parents are coming to them with the problem the students have learning disability, and they shot out that they have problem in dyscalculia. Dyscalculia, and in fine tuning they find that they have problem in fraction. So in our girls education we planned our methodologies so that they can learn all those things by doing something, and I think you can connect those points that you are working in disability and we are working in education, and this will fix and this will match very beautifully. You can match it.
हमारा बजट सिर्फ 2 लाख है, आप उनसे 3 लाख में कैसे?
That is fair, sir. So we just wanted to discuss with you what the scope is, if we could give you more information about the work that we are doing, to help you better understand how your agenda can fit with ours, and to see if there is any scope or possibility for you to increase the fund, or for us to look at selecting a specific group of girls from that cohort who can get funded within the amount that you are going to be giving.
और जैसे 2 लाख रुपए हम किसी को देते हैं तो उसके अंदर हमारा नाम होता है। आपके साथ टाई-अप करना चाहेंगे तो टाई-अप हमारे किससे वसूल करेंगे?
Sir, so the tie-up will be with our organization, and what will the message that will go out is essentially that you are helping girls with disabilities to access education, which is a very big issue in the country today. एक तो लड़की by the virtue of being a girl, she is being denied education, and then a girl with disabilities and added issue.
lot of schemes by government
Yes.
to available education to the girls and disabled persons or children. So आपका जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो कैसे अलग है इन सब से?
Yes, sir.
There are also-
I will add here a point, sir. Actually, they all are going to a normal school, but they are first generation learner. They need some special care, and we are planning for a non-formal schooling that will help them to be in the
It will
mainstream.
also reduce dropout. It will
Yeah.
help in their mainstreaming. And also, sir, there are also there are a lot of schemes for children with disabilities, but they still have.
अगर you
issues
work
with-
in your circle area या all over your
Sorry, sir.
you are working in your circle
Yes.
या another place.
We will be working within the community that we serve, and we already have a lot of presence in the community, so we already work with them on different issues. Like sir said, we work on other ways to school them, to prepare them for school. This would just be an added thing that we would be doing to help their education.
And another more thing that we know that there are so many medical issues that create disabilities. So girl education can prevent future disabilities also if you think on broader aspects. So it's very
Somusher is
important.
doing ground
Let me
level.
give some time.
Okay, thank you.
नहीं,
Nice.
इसमें एक सजेशन हमारी तरफ से कि आप जो आपका प्रपोजल है उसको जो हम लोगों ने अभी डिस्कस किया है
बिल्कुल सर, we
उसके
will उस हिसाब से
उस तरह से बना के लेके आएंगे तो फिर हम लोग
definitely.
सोचेंगे कंसीडर
So we
करेंगे
can
Yes.
definitely go
Nice.
back to our team and talk to them, and we will send you the proposal, and then we can do that.
Okay, nice to meet you. Nice.
फंडिंग किसी को नहीं मिली है